Learn how to make pop-up text effect in Premiere Pro. Here is my video. Now let's make pop-up text according to each word. First, go and select this text tool and click on the screen. Then type the first word according to your voice, and then modify it using these settings. After modifications, don't forget to align your text in the middle of the screen using these two buttons. Now take the timeline slider at the start of the text, make sure the text layer is selected, and open Effect Controls. Now make a keyframe of scale by clicking on this stopwatch icon and set the value of scale to 0. Now move 2 seconds by pressing the right arrow key 2 times, just like this, and set this scale to 120. Then again, move 2 seconds ahead by pressing the right arrow key and set the scale to 90. At last, move 2 more seconds and reset the value to 100. You can see that we've made the pop-up effect. Now crop its size according to the voice, just like this. Then press and hold Alt and duplicate this layer. Make sure to place the layer without any gaps and change this word according to the next word in your voice. Also align it in the center of the screen using these buttons. Keep repeating the process according to your video. At the end, you will have this pop-up text effect.